Hello friends and followers, my name is Smoe and today I will take you to a journey to Münster. I will paint there on a wall where I have the permission for about 9 years to paint there, but I didn't paint it for about 7 years now because I didn't have the time and there were some little babies and family stuff, and now we decided to paint the wall together with Stoke and Mocka. And now I will show you how the wall just looked before I grounded it yesterday. From 2011, so it is 7 years nearly uncrossed. Just some stupid text inside. But okay, let's start.
Rechts abbiegen auf Kanalpromenade, dann befindet sich das Ziel links.
Münster, Stadtwerke, Hafenplatz. Tanzt zu diesem Sound auf eurem Lattenrohr.
Wow, super cool. There was a really nice lady and she just said that it is so cold outside that she has to give us a present. And look, what is this here? This is a hand warmer. Really cool. And everybody of us got 2 of them. And look what happens. There's this little metal thing inside, and if you squeeze it a little bit, suddenly look, this happens. It's chemistry. Great. And it gets really warm suddenly. Thanks a lot, nice woman. Now we don't have to freeze. Great.
Über der B-Seite kreisen schon die Pleitegeier. Bei manchen Leuten reicht die Weltansicht leider nicht viel länger als der Arm von ihrem Selfie-Stick. Brownies und Bananen, sippen White Russian unter Bademantel. Mit ner Dose Ravioli warte ich lachend auf die Endzeit. Du kannst auch gerne mitkommen.
Mensch, Alter. Yo friends and followers, I'm so sad that all my electrical devices did not work this day because it's just too cold, all the batteries ran out of power, and so I don't know if I really can cut a video out of this little footage that I have, but I try my very best. And if it works, I can only say I hope that you were a little bit entertained, and we see us in the next project. Please check out the description area because I linked MAYOMANN and BACKFISCHBOY in the description area below because they gave me this great beats this time. And of course the links to Stoke and Mocka are there too. So please check them out, give them a follow and a like and everything else. Thanks a lot.